pineapple fried rice, which looks complicated but is actually very simple. Start by trimming the pineapple's hair. Make a diagonal cut. Make a rectangular cut. Make a horizontal cut at the bottom and scoop out the pineapple chunks. Trimming the edges. Scoop the bottom with a spoon. Pineapple chunks cut in half, half sliced. Plate and set aside. Dice the other half and set aside. Meanwhile, prepare the cooked carrots, shrimp, and peas. 200 grams of cooked rice, add an egg yolk and mix well. $30 milliliters of oil with a small piece of butter. When the oil is hot, crack an egg and stir-fry it. Add rice and stir-fry over high heat. Stir-fry until the rice can jump around the pan. Add toppings and stir-fry well. Salt, a half teaspoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of MSG. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Stir-fry well. Prepare to plate and garnish with the rest of the toppings. Sprinkle with cashews. Sprinkle the raisins. Meat floss. How's that? Not too complicated, is it?